Hi everyone, I'm Jackie and welcome back to another episode of Lowe's How to Anything. We're outdoors today for another exciting project. Today we're going to be making a rock bed. Landscaping with rocks can keep things very low maintenance and naturally beautiful. So I'm gonna walk you through all those steps right here, right now. Let's get to work. So the area behind me is where we're gonna be working today. Before you lay down any of your rocks, you're gonna wanna visualize where you want your rock bed. Do you want a curved rock bed? Do you want a straight rock bed? Believe it or not, the shape of your rock bed really changes the aesthetic of your backyard. I'm going to put in a rectangular rock bed to achieve a symmetrical and modern look. I'm also gonna put in some plants to give it a green accent. So the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is measure our area. We're gonna measure the length and the width. Then we're gonna spray the perimeter of our rock bed with some landscaping marking paint. We finished measuring out our space. Now we can fully visualize what our rock bed is going to look like. Before you move on to your next step, you're gonna wanna make sure you remove any debris from that area. Since we don't have any debris, we're gonna move on to the next step, which is to install our landscape edging. So Lowe's has a ton of different landscape edging, but I decided to go with a rubber one because it doesn't require any digging, which is just one less step that we have to do. As you can see, I'm just using these long nails that come with the kit to make sure that we secure the edging. And I'm just gonna continue this edging all the way down my perimeter. All right, so we're almost done with our edging, but as you can see, I left a little space here because we wanna be able to get in and out with the rocks without anything blocking our way. So we're gonna go ahead and offload the rocks and then we'll finish this when we're all done. So the next thing that we're gonna do is lay down weed fabric all inside our landscape edging. Remember when I said I wanted to add greenery to this space? This is the time to do it. The weed fabric is down. I've placed my plants to kind of eye where I want them. Once you've committed to the placement, you're gonna cut into your weed fabric to plant them. So let's do that. Okay, I think I dug the hole deep enough, but let's test it out. Let's put it in there and see. Yep, that's perfect. So now let's take out our plant. You just wanna put it on its side, wiggle it out. And as you can see, all the roots are compact because it's been in this small container. So what you wanna do is massage the roots a little bit before you put it back into the ground. So just break it up a little bit, not too much. And let's go ahead and put it in. Because I want to conserve water and make this space beautiful, I'm adding drought-resistant perennials and shrubs. Also, they just smell amazing. But Lowe's has so many different type of plants for your yard. So while you're there, if you have any questions at all, just look out for a Lowe's Red Vest associate. They'll help you out. All right, we are all done planting. Now it's time to get the rocks. It's time to finally lay down our rocks. I picked up these Mexican beach pebbles because I absolutely love the color, especially when you add water to them. So I can't wait to show you that. But speaking of water, now would be the time to install an irrigation system if you need one. Mine's installed, so let's open these bags up and get rocking. The last thing to do is just rinse off our rocks. What did I tell you? Wow, look at the color change. All of them are all so uniquely beautiful. I love it. Our rock bed looks incredible, and it truly has amplified this entire space. If you're looking to build your own rock bed, you can find everything you need to do it at your local Lowe's or at Lowes.com. And while you're at Lowe's, if you have any questions at all, just look out for a Lowe's Red Vest associate. They're there to help you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And while you're at it, leave us a comment below and let us know what you want to see on the next Lowe's How To Anything video.